Abba, for 2 years now, I never pick. None of my boys don't pick. I mean, do something for me so that we feel pick.
You will bring goats. You will bring tea tomato. I want Derrick, not Gino. You bring 1 gallon of groundnut oil, 25 liters. You will bring 1 rubber of tomatoes. Tatache, grind them together. Curry, thyme. The last but not the least, 1 rubber of onions. That's what the ghost wants.
Hello my people, on a day, it's another episode of Comedy Reaction from your boy, OBIKING. And I would like you guys to stick to the very end because you know how I do it. I try to compile the best of comedies for you guys just to make you guys laugh. So just sit back and watch till the very end. Make sure you drop nice comments, share this video, and above all, if you're yet to subscribe, please make sure you click on the notification button and the subscription button to be a part of this incredible family. Without saying much, guys, let's go have some fun.
This relationship not tired. Let's say worry you said you don't get sense. I'm so tired of this time.
I don't do again. I don't do.
Wait, Shibi, you want us to argue? Let's argue with only fluent English. No pidgin, no broken.
In a relationship, I must.
I'm honestly overwhelmed by your inadequacy to take this relationship seriously. I mean, the feelings is obviously disproportionately one-sided. I can't take it anymore. And I'm so flabbergasted by this. Like, this is how you behave? Change, for crying out loud. I don't understand how you behave like that.
You be dog.
That shall not kill.
You be dog. You don't sabi speak English, Momo. You don't tire.
Yeah, thank you.
It's okay. Oh, thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much.
She was having cramps.
Okay.
But right now it's like I'm the one having the cramps.
Oh, I'm sorry. God bless you. God bless you.
So now so we do my family. We
God
love
bless
to help
you.
people.
Okay. Oh, come on, it's for me. Please, help yourself with this. No, don't worry, help yourself. Help yourself, my brother.
So fine, girl.
Oh, don't worry. It's okay. It's for my heart.
You mean now?
Yeah. Okay. Okay, thank you very much. God bless you.
Carry her all the way. Only for her to come and meet her boyfriend.
Wait a minute, something ain't right.
Thief, he stole my money. My money's not in my bag.
God.
Mr. Man,
My money.
come close.
Stole
I
your
said, come close, Mr. Man.
Hey.
Where's the money?
Are you playing?
My money.
I said, where's the money?
I was just scared.
Bring out your pocket now.
Can you imagine? Which kind of nonsense? Which kind? No be only.
What's going on here? Hey, why you bullying this young man?
Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Who plays?
Why they bully him?
Okay.
Talkless,
What
you
do you
know
do?
strong.
Thank you very much, sir. Sir, they pass for you. Now you ask me for money. I can't tell her say, Sapao they worry me say get most pass you. I want to tell you that too. Because they beat me. Now because of that, they bully him, because they gave me body. Shut up, your mouth. In fact, where 500?
God.
Jesus.
You can use your focus to play.
In fact, sir. Where are you now?
Oh. Well, we are 1-5 again.
Okay, your phone a ring.
You just pray.
Yes, sir. Okay, on our way, sir.
Don't damn it.
Sir.
Hey.
Okay, sorry. Where are they go? I back with the go. I'm just calling now. Where would they go? I did more to go together.
No, they go together. Because they don't say deliver. If they leave and come on, they go to down. My guy, no. You cheated on the wrong girl.
Am I not enough for you? Answer.
Am I not enough for you, huh?
Anything you want that I don't do for you.
Are we good?
Don't poison you. Baba.
Ton. Who is she?
She don't poison you, pa. Amaka.
Women.
Pig now, pig.
Hello?
Hello, good afternoon. You booked the ride. Please, I'm outside. I don't wait for you. If not, I'll come there, come find you myself.
Loudly, now loudly they talk like this. Wow. Now she book ride for himself. To God be the glory. She don't buy out. Why you go cheat on her?
Hi guys, are you guys ready to find love?
Yes.
Okay, single lady, review yourself. Okay. What is that? Very wicked man.
All of una dey grace, all of una dey mad. If you say I get people can secret, you for bust your balloon. Una get low. If you say this guy bust the balloon, I for bust all of una head. What do you mean? Nonsense. And you're not even my spec.
Now wow.
Jesus. That's where you go. Mumu. When you
Look at my face.
Oh, do you know the girl you call come now? Let the girl. We need to walk. She know the pig. Either else you go tell me she dey bath. Now it's 6 hours. She said she dey dress. Now she know the pig. I have passion for this. I'm built for this. I know where I'm going to with this content.
Call him again. Call him again.
You know the pig.
Sky get this one.
Oh!
Mecco wrist time. Get this girl. She don't come.
Hello?
Sorry, I can't come today.
Let's
visit this.
For where?
She's in a play.
But I'm gonna go kill myself.
Okay, please let's end this relationship. Draft.
That's it. Please. I know where this content is taking me to. DOP. Let's roll. Action.
Open this. Where you go?
Like this area I don't cast. For like 2 weeks now in though. That's so bini bio.
Oh man. They want shit content. Please
I told you before now. Exchange your gift card and cryptocurrency with ATM coins. You can also download their app, ATM Paddy on Play Store and App Store. They fast and secure. Alpha, no worry, let me go take all the road. No shoot.
Ash. What's it with that?
Phone off.
Jesus.
No wala, no charge.
What do you want charge?
No lights.
Since they bought me for this village till now, I never see lights. Even son, they are leashing. Now wow.
No worry, give me my phone.
Life of a content creator, disappointment.
I just give up.
Disappointment everywhere.
Sit down there. Sit down.
You want shoot content.
Papa, for 2 years now, I never pick. None of my boys don't pick. I mean, do something for me so that we feel pick.
You will bring goats. You will bring tea tomato. I want Derika, not Gino. You bring 1 gallon of groundnut oil, 25 liters. You will bring 1 rubber of tomatoes. Tatashe, grind them together. Curry, thyme. The last but not the least, 1 rubber of onions. That's what the ghost wants.
No,
what you guys want and what you want.
I go bring them. As they bring them, I will put salt and mangi.
What's the meaning of that?
It clears the ghost and you. Now one cook stew.
Now what to make you never pick with this?
You then list onions, list attache. You won't tell me say my grand tomatoes and everything together. Not be stew and one cook.
Hunger, they wire the man.
Say you and the ghost.
The man is
hungry. I found that the chief doctor.
Okay, bro, you feel just half everything I call.
Okay.
So now concoction rice and one can cook.
What the ghost go do now? Just
God's got the shop. They gotta eat, man. You guys gotta eat. People be so already hungry.
I bet Solo. I could use this room. All right, no problem.
so because you go abroad, I will call you. Not take my call. Make us see how you want to go back this time.
What do you mean by that?
Out of me and you. What will take that?
You want poison her?
What do you do that?
Okay.
So you carry the poison.
Make that mistake.
You carry poison from pocket.
Me and you. One go
Take on here.
Body go surplus.
Solo, B.
My bro.
Solo, wait.
Man, I'm so happy for you, man.
Thank you.
Happy for you, no be lying.
You didn't want.
Ah, man. Solo, my brother, I beg. No verse for me, say I know if you pick your call this while. You know that way, man. I got pay bills every month. You know, easy, you understand? But my coming now, I deal with you. Tomorrow, you follow me, go back. I'll transfer 70 million, give you. You can start any business of your choice.
You give me 70 million naira. You don't start a business of my choice.
You know my man. What are friends for?
Hey, I don't buy him.
Why be, Baba? I do okay. You do okay. Baba, not drink again. I
don't go poison now.
Hello, bro. Hello, my bro. Baba, sit down now.
You are just.
You don't go poison. I won't give you 70 million.
Blood. Brother. Bro, what's up now? What's up?
My belly.
Hello, man. Bro.
Hey.
Baba, you too good to die. You too good.
Very wicked man.
If I look at him better, my health is good.
No, they try again. No, now God they give. Now God to
Gonna miss you, bro.
Ew! Ah! One B. Anybody will get out for this your death. Nah, Wabi. Go corner. Tiemu. Egegbe oho keke no riaje. He dead. Go worse pass this your.
Oh man. See me work by him for you.
Don't be supposed go.
Solo, you scatter all the plans what I get for you. I buy 2 houses for Banana Highland. I buy with your name, I buy one for myself. Same way they start life. I understand as everywhere be. But you scatter all my plans. I be able to process visa for you. Canada visa in 2 weeks time. You will come out, then me and you take a fly out. You say?
You won't bring her back to life.
God. Send me another helper.
Oh, not be even made I forgive you. Now when I send you another helper. You mumu.
There is a foolish idiot inside this room. Check, there's an idiot inside this room. Check behind the door.
There's nobody there now.
Jesus Christ, I'm feeling devastated.
Everything.
Mugbe will handicap.
Okay, he's the one. Himself.
Oh my God.
Foolish idiot.
Oh, Mod, okay. You know, say, upon everything you do for Sunshine still break up with you.
You don't say, Anana, why they would take painkiller?
Women.
After everything, why
women go spend your wife.
This my friend is dying, Doctor, please come. Doctor, faster, my friend is dying.
Let me take out my shop, come.
Take care of my shop. Why you go tell person when you start to drop? Take care of your shop.
Sunshine!
Did you know her?
Sunshine.
Baby, thank you for giving me your kidney.
Are you kidding me? By not giving my kidney, who would I give?
Babe, I told you I'm going to spoil you. All this money for you.
All this money for me?
He actually gave her his kidney.
Wait, babe, where did you get all this money from?
Babe, it's Parry Pulse, it's sports betting company. I just click the link in Lion's bio, register deposit, and use this promo code Lion all the capital later. Once you pay the Avita and Casino game, they give you 700,000 naira and above as bonus. Can we just taste that flutter with and modify? Hey, babe, let me pick this call.
Hello, uncle. Mama at the hospital.
Mama?
Getting a 500k, we need deposit for the start treatment.
500,000. Hold on. Stay on the call. Babe, please can I see 500k from this movie? My mom is sick. She's
No, babe. I have to buy my hair. I have to fix my nails. I have a lot of things to do with money. In fact, babe, don't worry. Your mom will be fine. Come on.
And his mom eventually died.
Donkey! I say you get God. You get God. Say you to get your kidney back.
I swear. Up and grateful, Lord. I'm grateful.
Yeah, Momo, I just understood something now. He allowed the let's play back.
He that brings cola to the table brings life. Manabambu or tunogwe, ababu or tunogwe. Or kana abano. My fellow elder, I want to ask you, young man here, why you summon us, the elders of this land, here?
Elders, I greet. Udo the reggae.
We greet you too.
You see this woman here? She's the wife of my youth. They say no matter how you feed goat, you don't ever turn cow. I don't tolerate this woman nonsense. Thinking say she go change. Instead she dey go work every day. They say person where they purge, no they select toilet. But I dey purge for this marriage. I go select toilet. So the reason why I call this meeting now to return my daughter back to Una. Make una give me my bride price back. Make I use chop and Kobe and Pami. It will be better for me than to live with this naggy woman. Than to stay with this stubborn and incompetent woman. This quarreling wife.
You're competent.
Again. Thank you very much.
These two people always quarreling. I don't understand.
Edo Jono, Oshidike, do you have anything more to say about this matter before I intervene? Nanye, this one, Ojurumono, even my jaw, everywhere is filled up. But my brother, does it mean this woman doesn't give you food? Or she's trying to deprive you of your benkelebe?
If you come for the benkelebe, she's a lazy woman.
You know say you don't talk all that things, I don't want to talk. You will be say you never even see my leg and you go. You dey laugh. That's the only thing where you said. They talk, you they come out fly. For my language, they talk say when small pikin don't tire to pound fufu, you go start they use how they come out fly. Now so you they use and they pursue fly when not do you anything. And you up here hungry he goes.
That's not the thing. I'll not touch your hand. I'm fast.
Both of you keep quiet here.
Oh,
you are the president of this elders and you are making noise. If you make noise, I will banish both of you out of this community. Are you insane? What's wrong with you? Don't you have respect?
No, not good.
Now, my daughter,
always fighting.
Is what your husband here telling us the truth?
Thank you for giving me the privilege to talk, sir. And point of correction, he's not my husband, he's my hunchback.
Oh.
Hey, Jesus. Edo John, take one hunchback. Only na laughs or husband or hunchback, you know. Someone that knew when seeing the laughs. Hey. Few people know that when you gave me to this man to get married to him, Uno Makande, I didn't Nicki Minaj, Yana Kadibi. But ever since I got married to him, that man isn't James Brown, but now the black version now. Black version of James Brown. This bad boy, poverty-stricken man. How can somebody be poor for 16 years living in the Gomeko?
Jesus. Jesus.
You know they go back, you know they go front, talk Wofwebe. Do you know that when I was in the house, I eat 4 times a day, even the list about 001. And on top of 001, even this. I had a business call. Let me just
business call.
Sisi meow, up what? Hey, he said a business call. Man, let me shock you, elder. With your mini skirts. Hey! What the mini? Hey! Dang. Put it on loudspeaker. Hey, elders, here waiting this man, they talk.
Hello, hibiscus flower, skin like me, brown like chocolate. How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Hey.
I'm in a meeting now. Remember I told you I want to divorce my wife? So I can bring you in. I just call a meeting now. Once they accept now, push her out and bring you in.
Really?
Yes.
But baby, what of the 50k I asked you for now?
Don't worry. After this call now, I'll send the money.
Okay. Do you still love me?
Yeah.
Ashawo boy. You don't know where you are going. You don't mean it.
Plan. Got red-handed. Business call.
can go on with the meeting.
My elders. So you people know the tradition. So do as tradition chooses.
Our daughter, you have spoken well, and we have seen where the problem is coming from. You understand, Dojano?
This guy Mumu,
as the tradition demands, you understand, there is a penalty that is left for people that committed this kind of atrocities in our land. Hey, Dojano, please hand over the book to me, the list. Nah.
The voice when God give me be like prophet.
Number 1, you are going to receive 50 strokes of the cane by the council youths. Secondly, please call those youths first. Let them stand by.
You go from one, come on. Oh yeah, you put you come closer. Come closer. Agree to my elders.
God have mercy upon us. Number 2, 1 he-goat, full one with biabia. Exactly, my daughter. Number 3, 7 tubers of yam.
Come here, I don't understand. What's the nonsense? Eh? Do you drink?
Mama, they don't catch you.
Do you take overdose of snap? What's the meaning of he-goat? What's the meaning of 50 strokes of the king?
You don't understand, Abby? Okay. Please call that young lady.
You mini skirt. Papa that is here. I don't know you go to the front.
Now you understand. Do you know this pretty young lady here?
I don't know her. What's the meaning of that? Are people trying to blackmail you or what? What's the meaning of that rubbish?
My daughter, come and play that call. We recorded it.
Carry it close. Go now.
Edda, let's celebrate it. They say to air is human. Let them.
No, it's okay. It's okay, calm down. Air is what human and to forgive is what divine. You are going to face the consequences.
Man, I flag out. This guy na Mumu. Mecco na flog the hell out of him.
Spiritual BBA, big
This world can be something else.
You are a prostitute.
Oh man, these two guys, like I don't understand. Like these two people, this husband and wife, like I don't know this kind of marriage. One, be say Mecco no they ever get money. Secondly, they are always quarrel. Thirdly, for over how many years they've been married, they never born pikin. Maybe they do born pikin, and maybe at least maybe know what's with their problem, to be honest. And the thing is that I actually like living this scene. Once I see these two people, I like to leave their scene for the last one because I always enjoy it. You understand? I always enjoy. I wasn't expecting it, you know. So this is a totally fantastic script, to be honest. Whoever wrote this script, like kudos to you. Kudos to you. I really loved it and I really enjoyed it, and I believe you did too. So thanks for sticking to the very end. Make sure to check out other videos on my channel. There's so many videos on my channel. You understand? And if you're just coming across my channel for the very first time and you're yet to subscribe, or you've been watching before and you're yet to subscribe, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And you can as well turn on the bell notification button to get notified anytime I drop new videos. See you in the